today we're gonna do an awesome fat burning workout. I promise you, you will burn a lot of calories. And anyone, hear me? Anyone can do this. Any age, any experience, anyone can do this workout. All you gotta do, just do it with me. So let's get started. This is awesome. This amazing 10-minute workout will burn a lot of calories and anyone can do it. This workout is based on walking, but you can get all the benefits of walking without leaving your living room. How awesome is that, right? So basically, all we're gonna do is walk for 30 seconds. Then we're gonna do 30-second exercise. Make sure to maintain a good posture while you're walking. And don't walk on your heels. That's the most important thing. Alright, so we walk for 30 seconds. It's 20 seconds left. We already started if you didn't notice. Yep. And we walk. Perfect. Just nice and easy walk. That's how simple it is. And you burn a lot of calories that way. Perfect. Alright. The next exercise, step to the side and put your hands up in the air. Perfect. 25 seconds left. Make sure to exhale while you making a step to the side and push off your toes, not your heel. Very good. You're doing great. Alright, and after every exercise, we're gonna walk for 30 seconds again. Remind you, make sure to maintain a very good posture. You can increase intensity as needed if you want to. Very good. Alright, just 10-minute continuous walking and exercising. How great is this? Alright, perfect. Next exercise, lift your knee up with your hands up in front of you. Very good. Make sure to breathe out when the knee is going up. Find your own rhythm. Make sure you're not gonna gas out on the first few minutes of this workout. Very good. Awesome. Alright, now we walk again. How great is that? All the benefits of walking without actually walking on the street. I know sometimes it can be very demanding to walk outside if you live in a big city, or for example if it's really cold outside. Yeah, you can do that right in your living room. Perfect. Alright, next exercise. Put your hands on your hips and make your leg swings. Change leg for every swing. Make sure to exhale when the leg is going away from the body. Perfect. This is a great exercise. Hold your balance on one leg. If you have hard time to hold the balance, you can hold something. Alright? And we walk again. I can definitely feel the burn already, especially in Vietnam. That's like in sauna here. Whew. So hot and humid. If you're in this country, or any country actually, you should drink a lot of water. Especially if you're working out. Alright, next exercise. Touch the floor with your fingers. Your knees can bend and stand up and raise your hands up. Alright, make sure to keep your back straight. Very good. Control your breath. Very good. Continue walking. How awesome is this? Can you feel it? I'm sure you can. Alright. You can walk a little faster. Perfect. Alright, get ready. Next exercise will be hand in front of you, step aside, and you open up, step back, step aside. Alright, perfect. Step to the side. Make sure to exhale. That's right, when you stepping to the side. Find your own rhythm. Very good. And continue walking. Yay. Use your arms to walk, not only legs. Full body have to work. Perfect. You're doing an amazing job. Just 4 minutes, 30 seconds left. Perfect. Next exercise, we're gonna lift our hands up and touch the elbows to the knee. Alright. Elbow to the knee. If you cannot touch it yet, no worries. Just lift your knee up. Hold the balance. This is one of the hardest exercises in this workout. Perfect. Continue walking. Alright. 4 minutes left. Very good. After this walk, we will do a little side lunge. Alright, do like that. Oh, just a little duck. Very good. We'll be trying to go under some invisible object. Perfect. Make sure to keep your back straight. Good posture is the key to injury-free workouts. Alright. Very good. And we continue walking. That's 3 minutes left. Very good. Make sure to control your breath. Alright, and after this we're going to do the first exercise we did. Side step with the hand raise. Perfect. Make sure to breathe out. Very good. Perfect. Walking again. After this exercise, walking will be your second nature. Alright. What I really like about this workout, you can do it anywhere, anytime. And anyone can do it. Alright. Now, you're gonna do leg swings again. Make sure to keep your balance. Don't lose the balance. Do at your own pace. Perfect. Walk again. Can you feel the burn? Yes, of course you do. Because I can definitely feel it. Alright. Alright, last exercise. We're gonna raise up, stand on your toes, hold the balance, and go down. Raise up, exhale, and go down. It's a great exercise. Stand on your toes, hold the balance, and go down. Calf raises with a hand raise. Perfect. You're doing it great. And we are done with this awesome workout routine. Oh wow, it was a really nice walk today. I hope you enjoyed walking along with me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel ArtemVu Fitness, and remember, whatever you're doing right now, the key to success is to be consistent. Make sure to press the like button and leave the comment down below. Stay healthy and see you tomorrow.